Powering the future of drones, is compliance the key to innovation? Picture this, you're piloting a cutting-edge unmanned aerial system, UAS, also known as a drone, on a critical mission, maybe surveying remote farmland or delivering supplies in disaster zones. The last thing you want is a power failure mid-flight. But here's where it gets intriguing. What if the power system not only kept everything running but also adapted to your needs while meeting stringent government standards? That's the promise of the microFLUX 4LP, a lightweight, NDAA-compliant 4-channel smart power supply designed for UAS. Let's dive into why this could revolutionize drone operations, and don't worry if you're new to this, I'll explain everything step by step, with simple analogies to make it crystal clear. Joining the broader UAS community. First off, if you're interested in becoming part of the vibrant supplier ecosystem for unmanned systems, check out this link to get started. Join the supplier ecosystem, https://www.unmannedsystemstechnology.com/partner/route=header_BTN. It's a great way for innovators to connect and collaborate. For a comprehensive look at vendors and their offerings, explore the suppliers and products, https://www.unmannedsystemstechnology.com/supplier-directory, section. You can even view and search suppliers, https://www.unmannedsystemstechnology.com/supplier-directory, or access my saved items, https://www.unmannedsystemstechnology.com/account, to keep track of your favorites. Categories include everything from computing and embedded systems, https://www.unmannedsystemstechnology.com/expo/computing-hardware, to counter UAS, https://www.unmannedsystemstechnology.com/expo/anti-drone-technology-quas, command, control and communications, https://www.unmannedsystemstechnology.com/expo/command-control-communications, and more. Think of it as a one-stop shop for drone tech, electronics and subsystems, https://www.unmannedsystemstechnology.com/expo/electronics-subsystems, ground control systems and equipment, https://www.unmannedsystemstechnology.com/expo/ground-control-systems-equipment, structural and mechanical systems, https://www.unmannedsystemstechnology.com/expo/structural-mechanical-systems, imaging and vision, https://www.unmannedsystemstechnology.com/expo/cameras-imaging-vision-systems, positioning, navigation and guidance, https://www.unmannedsystemstechnology.com/expo/positioning-navigation-guidance-tracking-systems, propulsion and power, https://www.unmannedsystemstechnology.com/expo/propulsion-power, materials and manufacture, https://www.unmannedsystemstechnology.com/expo/materials-manufacturing-development-services-facilities, software and autonomy, https://www.unmannedsystemstechnology.com/expo/software, and unmanned vehicles and platforms, https://www.unmannedsystemstechnology.com. expo/unmanned vehicles platform/. If you have solutions to add, head over here, add your solutions, https://www.unmannedsystemstechnology.com/partner/route=header-main-nav. Gaining deeper insights into UAS technology. To stay informed, don't miss the insights, https://www.unmannedsystemstechnology.com/category/news, section, it's packed with the latest trends and breakthroughs. Exploring content on unmanned systems technology. Browse a wealth of resources on the platform. Dive into the latest news. https://www.unmannedsystemstechnology.com/category/news, which keeps you updated on industry developments. For real-world applications, check out case studies, applications and insights. https://www.unmannedsystemstechnology.com/feature, where you can see how technology solves actual problems. Visual learners will love the videos. https://www.unmannedsystemstechnology.com/videos, and for interactive learning, join webinars. https://www.unmannedsystemstechnology.com/webinars, to engage with experts. Articles organized by domain. Content is neatly categorized for easy navigation, covering various domains, sectors and applications. UAS technology spans diverse fields, from military, defense and security. https://www.unmannedsystemstechnology.com/category/news/military-defense-security, think battlefield surveillance, to forestry, agriculture and farming. https://www.unmannedsystemstechnology.com/category/news/forestry-agriculture-farming, where drones monitor crop health. Other areas include public safety, emergency, first response. https://www.unmannedsystemstechnology.com/category/news/public-safety-emergency-first-response, mapping and GIS. https://www.unmannedsystemstechnology.com/category/news/mapping-GIS, survey and inspection. https://www.unmannedsystemstechnology.com/category/news/survey-inspection, space and HAPS. https://www.unmannedsystemstechnology.com/category/news/space-HAPS, oil and gas, energy, utilities. https://www.unmannedsystemstechnology.com. Category/news/oil gas energy utilities/ and infrastructure and transport. https://www.unmannedsystemstechnology.com/category/news/infrastructure-transport. Recent highlights. Here are some of the newest developments. Par Zero secures significant European purchase order for Defender counter-UAS systems. https://www.unmannedsystemstechnology.com/2025/11/Parazzo-secures-significant-European-purchase-order-for-Defender-counter-UAS systems, from November 25, 2025. Elsight advances to Phase 3 in Defense Innovation Unit's Project GI. https://www.unmannedsystemstechnology.com/2025/11/Elsight-advances-to-Phase-3-in-Defense-Innovation-Units-Project-GI. Also from November 25, 2025. And Hargrave Technologies launches microFLUX 4LP Smart Power Supply for UAS market. https://www.unmannedsystemstechnology.com/2025/11/Hargrave-Technologies launches microFLUX 4LP Smart Power Supply for UAS market. From the same date. Partnering for innovation. Connect with industry leaders through innovation partners. https://www.unmannedsystemstechnology.com/innovation-partners. Upcoming events and opportunities. Mark your calendars for events. https://www.unmannedsystemstechnology.com/events. If you'd like to showcase your solutions, https://www.unmannedsystemstechnology.com/partner/question mark route=header-mobile-nav-showcase, or explore advertising. https://www.unmannedsystemstechnology.com/partner/question mark route=header-mobile